to school to Neighbor.
Yes.
How are you?
I don't tell you, I don't like that kind of play.
Sorry. Neighbor, I'm sorry that I'm always disturbing you. Because of that thing I've been begging you for. This thing I've been telling you about is on my mind. You are giving me sleepless night. I like you a lot. I would like me and you to be...
I'm sure you know that I'm married. I'm married.
Why your voice? See, let me tell you. Married people used to do all these things. Stay there. But you know they don't used to write it on the face, so nobody will know. Married people used to do all these things. I know plenty of people that are doing it. Everything starts one day. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step. Let's just do only one. A trial will convince you. Please.
Once,
Yes, just
after
once.
this one, we know do.
Yes.
After this one, we know because
Good. That's why I like you. Where's your husband?
that one busy doing nothing. Don't come out. I don't know where
He don't come out.
Don't go choir practice.
Now our poor man said they're busy. Even the choir. My own wife self now women leader. They don't go. I don't know what they do for church. Leave them. Let's go and enjoy ourselves. Don't worry. We are safe. We are safe.
After this one, we know.
No, this is the first and the last time. Don't worry. After this one, we're going to
We go do and well. We go do and pass that man. We go do just come out.
trust me.
Now you talk
I say a trial will convince you. If you don't like it, anything you want.
All the thieves. It's only the journey that is not the thief.
I will chase my wife and marry you. Stop. Don't make my body shock me.
I
I'm not a very nice person. Very
be careful, no for
Last now. See, you even last more than that fool, that idiot that say marry me and keep it in the house.
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
That say he married me.
Don't worry, anytime.
That voice sounds like my wife's voice.
Now my husband voice.
Just call me. I will be coming for servicing.
You are just a slight away now.
It's not me that talk. It can't be me.
You came from the back. You came from the front.
Every year.
Eh? What's going on here? You came from which front and which back?
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Mo gbé wọn handicap.
So, what I wanted to do.
Mo kọ́kọ́ gbé ngogo. Kò lọ.
Now even road to go to I cannot take. You want to please others and displease us and displease yourself. And they never leave. They have left you behind. Don't be small North Korea they knock America here, knock America there. What America don't do?
Mo gbé wọn handicap. Mo kọ́kọ́ gbé ngogo.
School2 Comedy.
Kò lọ. Mo gbé 1.5. Kò wọ́. Mo sáré 2.5.
School2, many things they happen, many things.
No.